Hello friends, welcome back to Flavor Fusion Jaya. Today, I am sharing a refreshing and healthy lychee smoothie recipe. This smoothie is naturally sweet, creamy, and perfect for hot summer days. First, I take 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and add them to a cup. Then, I pour in some water and let the chia seeds soak for about 30 minutes. Once they become soft and swollen, I keep them aside. Now, let's prepare the lychees. I take 1 fresh lychee and carefully cut it with a knife. Then, I remove the peel and take out the white flesh. I add the lychee flesh to my blender jar. Next, I take another lychee and peel it with my hands. I remove the seed and add the flesh to the blender as well. Now, I add 2 spoons of fresh curd to the blender jar. The curd makes the smoothie creamy and gives it a delicious taste. After that, I take 2 dates, remove the seeds, and add them to the blender. Dates provide natural sweetness, so there is no need to add extra sugar. Then, I add a few fresh mint leaves. Mint gives this smoothie a refreshing flavor and makes it even more enjoyable. Next, I pour in 100 milliliters of water. Now, I add the soaked chia seeds to the blender jar. The chia seeds have absorbed the water and become soft and gel-like. I close the lid of the blender and blend everything for about 1 minute until the smoothie becomes creamy and smooth. Our delicious lychee smoothie is now ready. I pour the smoothie into a serving glass. To make it extra refreshing, I add a few ice cubes. Finally, I garnish the smoothie with a few mint leaves and some small pieces of lychee. Just look at this beautiful and creamy smoothie. It looks so refreshing and tastes absolutely amazing. Benefits of this lychee smoothie. Lychee is rich in vitamin C, which helps boost immunity and keeps the skin healthy. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, which support digestion and help keep you full for longer. Dates provide natural energy and are a good source of iron and antioxidants. Curd contains probiotics, which are great for gut health and digestion. Mint helps cool the body and adds a refreshing flavor, making this smoothie perfect for summer. If you are looking for a healthy, naturally sweet, and refreshing drink, then this lychee smoothie is a wonderful choice. Please try this recipe and let me know how you liked it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Flavor Fusion Jaya. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.